for me. Like, she was there. She pulled through for me on and went above and beyond. I can 100% say she went above and beyond. Matter of fact, I wrote her a big long letter when I was in prison telling her how much I appreciated that she treated me like a human and not just like a case number, blah, blah, blah. She wrote me back, you know, and we actually ended up to where, you know, she knows me on a first name basis and shit like that. When I see her and she sees me, I mean, she was a good public defender. 100% she was a good public defender. If I would have had money at the time, I would have paid her just because she fought for me harder than any attorney in my life has ever fought for me. And the fucked up part about it is everybody said, oh, she's a piece of shit. She's a piece of shit. She's the worst lawyer you can get. She ain't do shit. She didn't do shit for me. She didn't do shit for me. Well, that wasn't my experience. She was a badass attorney for me. Did you understand the court process? No, I didn't. 100% I didn't understand the court process. If I'd known then what I know now, things would have been so different. I probably would have never ended up going to prison, to be honest with you. If I understood the court process, I probably would have never ended up going to prison because I would have known what I could have did and what to expect. But when you ain't, you know, for one, I spent 9 months in jail before, because I went to jail. I was on the run from it forever before they got me. I went to jail because I got in a fight with somebody at a house, some girl's house. I ended up getting in a fight with some dude. Cops got called. They came in. I knew I had a warrant. I hid in the basement. They come down, taser, blah, blah, blah. And once I was in jail for, you know, I sat in jail for like 6 months. And then right when it was getting close time for me to get released, they came and read me my warrant for my burglary charges. Because the detectives, even though I admitted to it and shit the time I told you I admitted to it, they let me go home that night. They let me go. And I was like, well, what? You guys gonna come back and arrest me tomorrow? They told me, no, it takes time. The court's got to get, you know, it's got to go through the court system. We got to get a warrant and all that. But since you admitted to it and you worked with us, we're going to let you go home. But you will be getting a warrant issued for you and you will be getting arrested. So it kind of worked out to where, you know, me being honest and talking to him bought me a little more freedom. But as soon as I got caught for something else, like he said, you so much spit on a fucking sidewalk, I'm hemming your ass up. Well, I ended up getting in a fight and got put in jail, and I was in there, and right when it was about time for me to be released, they came and read me a damn warrant for my burglaries. So, no, I didn't. So the question was, did I understand the court process? No, I didn't. 100%. I had no clue how that court process. I knew how misdemeanor court worked. I didn't know anything about felony court. But with that being said, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this video right here. Today's my birthday. Wish me a happy birthday. And leave a like, comment, subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. Till the next one. See ya.